Guys, Dave Jr. from Wellbuilt Equipment here with another one of our tech updates. Don't forget to follow us at Aerial Lift Repairs on Facebook or get us on the web, aerialliftrepairs.com, for all your aerial lift repairs questions. Today we are in front of a CMC 72HD Arbor Pro. I'm going to talk to you guys about what we call the dreaded P9 code. Don't freak out, you didn't forget anything, and I'm here to help walk you through it. Right now Eric's going to be showing you a fancy clip up in the corner of the P9 code appearing in this lower box. When you do have a P9 code appear, that means the machine doesn't know where it's at, pretty much, in simple terms. And we are going to tell you how to reset your turntable if it comes out of center while transporting or driving. It can be a common problem from times to time if you don't stow the center of the boom properly. As you can see right now, I do have the white lines realigned on the base of the machine for this video. However, if those do get off a little bit, this would be the procedure you would follow. First thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to turn the machine on. With the machine running, turn in the black knob closest to the lower control panel clockwise until it stops. With the cover bolts removed, carefully remove the cover for the emergency controls by tilting it forward and moving it past the hand pump. Turn in the black flow control knob located at the top of the turret function manifold clockwise until it stops. With the flow control valve turned in, the live hydraulics underneath the boom arm is now active. In order to use the turntable rotate, you'll need to grab one of your cover mounting bolts or a screwdriver, push down the flow override valve located to the right of the function manifold if you're standing next to the lower controls, and then use these valves to actuate. So I'm going to push in, one direction, other direction. Alright, so you guys did it. You got the boom back to center. Try to get that thing back lined up with the white line next time when you stow it. Make sure it's always properly strapped and chained down to the truck when you leave a job site. Hopefully this helped a couple of you guys out there. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook at Aerial Lift Repairs or hit us up on the web, aerialliftrepairs.com, and comment down in the comment section. Thanks and have a good one.